Hello, this time I would like to do a basic by file search. I would like to execute a command like this and write a part of a file like Lua and then show a list with the files and I can navigate in those files. So I was searching in the help and I found this function. With this function you can have a list of files in the current directory. For example, if you type local files vim.fn.glob and you type false true, this returns a table with the files. So let's print this. I can inspect the content of that table. Vim inspect. Okay, now I have the files. Now I want to place that files in the quick fix list. So I found a function setqflist and you can pass a list here, an action to create or replace the elements, and the entries of the list should have file name, lnum, line number, and column number. So what I'm going to do is to iterate this files table. So for in files in pairs files boom, and I'm going to create the entries for the quick fix list. So entries, then table, insert entries, and the entries must have file name. This is f lnum and col. Then I can put those entries in the quick fix list using vim.fn.setqflist entries, and I want to remove the previous content. Now I can open the list with vim command C open. If I run this, I open the list with some entries. Okay. Now I want to put all of this in a command. So I'm going to put this in a function. Function search text. And I'm going to call this function with a command. So vim API create user command file search function and I'm going to call this search options args. Okay. Here I need to replace this parameter. I think that to search in all the files is something like this. Text. There. I'm going to run this. So if I type file search, okay, file search Lua, I need to clean the print command. Okay, file search Lua. Let's say close. I'm going to run this. No file search Lua. I have all the Lua files. Okay, I think I can navigate in the files. Let's search for temp. I only have one file, so it seems that it works. I think this functionality is not in Neovim already. You have to use telescope or FCF to do this kind of things. I think there is a vim grep command, but this works in the content of the file, not in the file name. So what do you think? It is helpful, or you just use telescope? So leave me your comments in the comment section. See you.